integrating the Fool's energy using the Yuen method. The Fool, numbered 0, is the first major Arcana tarot card. This unique card symbolizes both beginnings and infinite potential. It represents freedom, new paths, detachment, trust in the unknown, and present moment awareness. This strengthening aims to open you to life's adventure, freeing you from fears and limits. Listen daily for a week to strengthen the next Arcana. We strengthen the triad, freedom, openness, and adventure in your life. We'll clear blocks preventing freedom in mind, body, and spirit. We'll release mental rigidity, limiting beliefs, and ties hindering spontaneity. Feel the powerful sense of expansion, where each step is a free choice, 100% infinite potential, all the time, forever. We strengthen your mind's lightness, empowering you to release judgments and embrace the freedom that comes with accepting reality. We release pain, blockages, and illnesses born from judgments, criticisms, and accusations, both from others and yourself. We erase these at the quantum level in atoms, cells, and molecules to 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time, eternally. Empower yourself to open up to new possibilities. We erase fear of the unknown, risk-taking, and uncertainty. Strengthen your ability to embrace the mystery of what's to come. Empower yourself with confidence, curiosity, and courage. See life as a blank canvas waiting for you to design it. Strong enough to embrace the thrill, joy, and wonder of new, unknown, and different experiences. Powerful in facing the desired, unexplored, and unexpected. Resilient in spotting, seizing, and maximizing every opportunity that arises. Confident that success, abundance, and prosperity are in your hands. Unwavering trust in your physical, mental, and spiritual intelligence. Robust enough for these 3 intelligences to transform into wisdom. Erasing doubt, fear of failure, and hesitation before taking action. Attuned to feel, sense, and intuit each step aligned with your true purpose. Empowered to feel you're the universe expressing itself through you. Strengthening detachment, freeing you from clinging to the familiar and safe. Eliminating fear of loss, letting go, and releasing attachments, strong enough to flow with life without resistance, rejection, or complaint. Strong to let your physical intuition guide you to the right places at the right moments. We free the mind from being controlled by moments, strong to trust, strong to flow, and strong to allow. 100% infinite potential, 100% of the time within finite time. I enhance your ability to live in the present moment. I remove past attachments, old weakening stories, and future worries. Strengthening full awareness in the present moment. Aware that peace, abundance, and happiness exist only in the now. Strong reminder, the magic of creation happens only in the present, of manifestation and experience. Strong to fill your life with vitality, freshness, and lightness in the present. Strong so your breath deeply connects you with life, here and now. Strong to release and erase the narratives of your past. Strong to view your past neutrally without judgment or complaint. Strong for creativity in your life. Strong to create freely without limits or restrictions. We remove the fear of dreaming, imagining, and manifesting desires. Strong to experience life and explore new ideas like the Fool card suggests. Strong, the energy of joy in your being. Strong to like yourself. Strong to remove sadness or blocks hindering present moment enjoyment. Strong, carefree joy, full of trust and love for life. Enhance your ability to feel emotions where life's a celebration. 100% potential, 100% of the time, infinitely. I strengthen your capacity to expand beyond the unknown. I'll eliminate any fear of growth, change, or success. Empower yourself to seek new horizons, possibilities, and better experiences. Integrate this Arcanum's energy with others in perfect harmony. Let all these energies merge within you, top to bottom, bottom to top, right to left, left to right, inside out, outside in, back to front and front to back, 100% potential, 100% of the time, infinitely. Embrace the Fool's energy, connecting with adventure, freedom, confidence, and joy. Align yourself with the path of expansion and detachment. Strong to live fully in the present, trusting life takes you where you need to be. Strong in purity, innocence, and spontaneity. Strong to act from the longing of your true self. Strong for adventure, the unknown, the new, neutral to move with or without fear. Strong to open up to all infinite possibilities. Strong to explore and learn. Strong for new, fresh, free, and creative perspectives. Strong to embrace the abundance, peace, and security of the present moment. Strong to enjoy material things without attachment, expectations, or guilt. Strong to reinvent, rebuild, and redesign yourself as often as you wish. Let's strengthen internal and external dynamics, boundaries, and their intersections. "100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time." Erase all that blocks connection, leveling, and integration with these arcane energies. At 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time with finite time. Strong to reset, recalibrate, reprogram, readjust, and rejuvenate body, mind, and spirit. How do you feel? The same or different?